Hey, beautiful people. Now, spring is in the air. When you know spring and summertime coming up, the hairstyle and the girlies come out. The hairstyle. Okay, so let's take the hair out of those winter hats and those bonnets. Let's take them out and let's do some refreshing hairstyles for the summer and for the spring, for the summer. Okay, so we will be doing some knotless braids today, and we'll be using some colorful beads, purple to be exact, like monochromatic purple, so different shades of purple. So yeah, I'll be doing some purple hair. I already started, I started my first row. It's like a lilac. It's a lilac expression braiding hair pre-stretch. And my second row, it's the purple. We're doing the purple, and then we'll do a number two. Mostly we'll be doing the number two, but for now we're doing the purple. We're doing some little bits of hiding, like a peekaboo. Yeah, so peekaboo, we have two shades of purple, and we have one number two color. So I'm installing the purple braids at the back, and you see my client, she has a lot of hair. Her hair is super thick and long. It took me 6 hours. Yeah, it's roughly about that. I have to do the tuck and go. It's not easy out here. It's not easy. The tuck and go braids, and you see how neat my braids looking right now. You see how neat they are. Yeah, I'm doing the tuck away. I'm tucking in her natural hair, so you wouldn't be able to see her natural hair. Wouldn't be peeking out of the braids, even if they're wet. If you jump in the pool, or you showering, or you jump in the ocean, your braids wouldn't be puffing out of these. Your hair wouldn't be puffing out of these braids. See how neat they are and slick. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so just keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed us yet, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share my video, like, all the good things. Thank you so much to all my subscribers and to my unique viewers, my returning viewers. Hey, thank you, thanks a million. And yeah, so keep doing the do. You subscribe, you share, and you like all the good things. And this is how the number two is looking. I'm I'm installing pretty fast, so I'm doing the number two, and then I'm gonna put like the purple and the lilac, a little bit here and there. Okay, and then we'll be adding the beads at the end, so stay tuned, see how I add those beads, on the like 15-20 minutes adding the beads. at the top of her hair. Oh my god, it was a long day. It was a long day braiding and installing beads. So nice. Did a little purple here and there, looking all nice. And my Vigor hair mousse, of course, I'm gonna tailor it down. Tailor it down. So we say in St. Vincent, we're gonna tailor it down. Like we're gonna dab it down really good with the hair mousse. We're gonna moisturize and yeah, we're gonna add some moisture to the hair and to the ends of the braid. So yes, I love using a lot of mousse as it has the antioxidants, the multivitamins, and all the good things to keep your hair moisturized. Yeah, and then I'm gonna be adding the hot water. I'll be using my milk pitcher that I bought specifically for hair. This is for hair. This is my milk pitcher for hair. Okay, and I did her edges already, and this is my milk pitcher that I'll be using for hair. It has the hot water inside already, and we're gonna be putting it in hot water before I put the beads in. Yeah, I just can't do the braid and then the beads. Ugh, no. I want a lot of movements in the hair, so that's why I'm putting them in the hot water first. A lot of movements, so the hot water makes them nice and straight but flexible. Flexible is, that's the word, flexible. I need my braids to be flexible, and plus, in addition to that, the hot water is gonna get rid of all the flyaways, the little bit of short jiggy hair that be sticking out. So yes, and then I'll be finishing all of that with the hot water, and then I'll be coming back with the beads. So I'm finished with the hot water. All of her hair, it's done. It's nice and flexible. See, and look at how nice and sleek they are. Oh gosh, look at how sleek they are. I thank God. I thank God daily. um so yeah. Oh, and yeah, there's some black beads in there as well. So let's put on the beads on 100+ braids. And yeah, it took me like 15-20 minutes to add the beads. Because I tend to move really fast when it comes to beads. It's just pretty simple. You put the beads. She wanted 4 on each one. She had her pattern, the black, the lilac, the purple, and the transparent. And then I just do it like that. Do the rubber bands. I'm using rubber bands to hold the bead, and then I take my scissors and I clip off the excess, and I yeah. So yes, so at this point, thank you for watching another video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Oh my gosh, comment. Leave your comment. If you like it, comment. If you don't like it, comment. Tell me your thoughts. Tell me your thoughts. Don't be afraid to ask me any hair question you want. Ask me, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And I'll catch you in my next video. Stay tuned for the end product. See, I'm almost the sunlight. Okay. Your mom is downstairs, you know?